after Congress government in Puducherry appeared to have lost its majority, political crisis is now escalating there. While Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has reached the union territory, the opposition, which met with LG, claims that Congress-led Narayanaswamy government with 14 MLAs is in minority. On Tuesday, the ruling government suffered a major blow with 4 MLAs quitting and 1 getting disqualified. In fact, the opposition, in which BJP is a key player now, also has 14 MLAs. BJP claims MLA Maladi Rao, who resigned yesterday, will be joining the Saffron Party today. The centre had removed LG Kiran Bedi yesterday amid unfolding political crisis. Removal of Bedi, who had a running feud with the Chief Minister, is seen as a bid to deprive the Congress of a key poll plank. The claim that the LG has been obstructing governance.
The people of Puducherry got victory by removal of Dr. Kiran Bedi because she was stopping welfare schemes. She was ignoring the elected government. She was interfering in the day-to-day administration. She was running a parallel government. And she was also giving direction directly to the officers, which is unheard of in the history of any country. The lieutenant governor and the governors are acting against the constitution and the rule of law.
Don't you think why the central government is took almost 4.5 years to actually remove her from power?
No, because she was acting as an agent of BJP government, and she was doing whatever the BJP leaders in Puducherry said. She was ignoring the people of Puducherry. She was totally sidelined the elected representatives, and she has no respect for the elected government. And she was behaving in an unconstitutional manner. The people of Puducherry have been watching it, and they have been supporting our move for removal of Dr. Kiran Bedi.
Opposition leader says that you do not have majority. How exactly is the number standing currently, sir?
No, see, it is not only the number, but I told you very clearly that we have got majority. We will do everything according to the constitution. It is the job of the opposition to blame the government, and they have been doing it. Because, BJP's game plan of poaching MLAs is the habit. They did it in several states. Now they are trying in Puducherry.
You're saying your MLAs were poached. 4 MLAs of yours were poached.
No, it is not. I'm not telling them they have been poached. I've been telling that these MLAs, some of them have gone there. Now they realize that they committed a blunder.
Have they spoken to you yet about this blunder? Are they ready to come back?
No. I say I'm not going to say anything like that because they have been sidelined in their party.
நேத்து இவர் நாராயணசாமி பேசும்போது இந்த எம்எல்ஏஸ் எல்லாம் அவங்க வந்து பணம் கொடுத்து வாங்கிட்டாங்கன்னு சொன்னாங்க. அப்படியா?
பணத்துக்கு விலை போற உங்களுக்கு கிடையாதுங்க பாண்டிச்சேரியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இப்ப அவர் நான் மெஜாரிட்டி நிரூபிப்பேன் எனக்கு எதிர்க்கட்சியிலிருந்து ஆதரவு சொல்லியிருக்காருன்னா அவர் எம்எல்ஏக்களை பணம் கொடுத்து வாங்குறாரா? முதல்ல தெளிவுபடுத்தணும். பணம் கொடுத்து வாங்க வேண்டிய அவசியம் பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சிக்கு இல்லை. அவங்கவுங்க தன்னுடைய சுய உணர்வோட தான் அந்தந்த எம்எல்ஏக்களும் இன்றைக்கு ராஜினாமா செய்திருக்கிறாங்க.
ரெண்டாவது கிரண் பேடியை நீக்கிட்டு இப்ப திரும்பவும் வந்து இவங்க தமிழிசை சவுந்தரராஜனை ஆக்கியிருக்காங்களா? இது உங்களுக்கு சாதகமா பாதகமா?
இதை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு நம்முடைய அரசு ரீதியான ஒரு நடவடிக்கை தவிர இது தனிப்பட்ட முறையில் அரசியல் ரீதியான நடவடிக்கை அல்ல.
நீங்க வந்து கிரண் பேடியை பதவியிலிருந்து நீக்கணும்னு சொல்லி ஒரு கோரிக்கை வச்சதா ஒரு ரூமர் இருக்கு. அப்படியா? அப்படி எதுவும் இல்ல.
Now let's take a quick listen to this past face-off between Puducherry Chief Minister and Kiran Bedi, where the Chief Minister accused her of interfering in his works. Bedi hit back, saying that she was just doing her job.
The governors and lieutenant governors also, they have taken oath of secrecy. Any official communication which is confidential should not be divulged to the public. Day in and day out you find that Twitter, Facebook and WhatsApp, every day all the official communication which is confidential communication is coming in the media. That is clear violation of the oath of office. I used to tell her very clearly, this is the limit of your power. And now when she goes to the villages, in the name of inspection, the people started opposing. People started gathering here.
He should think twice before he says anything like this. Honorable Chief Minister has sought clarifications on his responsibilities and administrators' responsibilities from the Ministry of Home Affairs not once, but twice. At least please respect that. And it is exactly saying as I am performing. I can call officers, I can seek clarifications, I can reach out to the people, I can listen to people's grievances.
Let me cut across to Pramod Madhav, joining us live from Puducherry. Pramod, Kiran Bedi's ousting isn't a sudden affair. It was almost coming to fore any time now, and it's finally happened, is what sources tell us. Do take us through what exactly is this whole rift here?
Well, it was actually... Certainly, it absolutely was a shocker to everyone, including the Chief Minister Narayanaswamy, who was busy today handling the programs for Rahul Gandhi at Puducherry. In fact, until that period, until almost 8 p.m., like he was in a little bit of trouble trying to completely take care of his government, because the opposition was saying that only 14 MLAs are there with the Chief Minister, that is including the Speaker, which means he was short of one vote, and they demanded that the Chief Minister should resign and dissolve his government. And the Chief Minister earlier, though the certain minister said that he would do so, nothing of that sort occurred. But with the later, when we got the information that Kiran Bedi has been asked to leave, and Tamilisai Soundararajan is taking additional charge, things certainly changed. And Narayanaswamy, even today with the Rahul Gandhi, he was looking better. But we put this question again with the BJP, with Congress and various other leaders, and they claim, for Congress, they still are claiming that this is a positive note. It is a victory for the people's fight. However, Kiran Bedi just gave a 42-second video where she thanked the people. She said that whatever she did here was sacred, and that the future of Puducherry is in the hands of the people.
Right, Pramod, thank you very much for joining us with those details. This is right ahead of Tamil Nadu elections, and Puducherry coming closer in just about a month and a half time.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.